Hello everybody, my name is Barbara. In this video I will talk to you about some tips and tricks for making an instruction video for a blended or online course. If you don't know what kind of video to make for your course, watch the other video, what kind of videos do I need for my lessons. In this video we will talk about the advantages of using a video, the legal aspects, keep it simple, and the layout. Let's start with the advantages of using a video. The most powerful tool in an online or blended course is a good video. A video is a very simple thing to access for everybody. People nowadays are used to watch videos, for example, on YouTube or all kinds of social media. By explaining something to a video, you can keep the attention of your audience longer than with that they need to read a text. In a few minutes, you can give a lot of information. Of course, a video may not be too long. A timing from 2 to 6 minutes is enough. Another advantages of using a video is that your audience, your students, are hearing and seeing something together. That is always a big advantage in the learning process of students. Now, the legal aspects. Before you start filming, you need to think about some legal aspects. For example, if you want to film on location, it's always better to ask permission for that. Also, when you need to film other people than yourself, you need them to ask permission. Otherwise, you are not in order with all kinds of privacy aspects. If there is audience, simple asking them is enough. Keep it simple. Also, when making a video. Therefore, you need to have a script or a storyboard. On a storyboard, you write down step by step what you will do during the video, but also what you will say. Otherwise, you run the risk that you need to start over 10 times. Use short sentences and explain everything in a simple language. An overload on information is never good. As I already said, a timing from 2 to 6 minutes is enough. If you are using pictures, remember that one good picture is better than 10 bad ones. Now the layout. Also the layout you need to keep simple. Use one font and maximum 2 different sizes. Use one color and keep the second color to highlight something. Don't put too much bullets on one slide. And don't use capital because that's too hard, and also underlining because that's old-fashioned. Thank you for watching the video.